What's up, guys? Today we are playing Animal Company. And in most videos, people are like, "What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a Haunted Mansion run," or "What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be completing the tech tree," or "What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be going to get broccoli." You get what I mean. But we have spent all day trying to do that, and it has not worked, my friends. So we are just going to be seeing what is going to happen. Hey Charlie, can you help me put all these guns? We were in a public lobby, you know how those are, just full of guns. Charlie, you know you can speak without using the thing.
What? Yeah. Jack, here. Let's go to Haunted Mansion.
Oh, hold on. First we are gonna do the box of the day. Wow, that was a lot of money. Alright. We're gonna be doing the box of the day. It's my turn to open it. Drum roll, please. It's a baseball bat. Right.
And y'all, today we are going to Haunted Mansion. Or should I say, maybe, if Jack agrees, maybe a Mimic Cave.
That's gonna be hard.
Let's go to Mimic Cave. Jack, take this. Jack, take this.
Alright.
Take this. Jack, take this.
Alright. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We are going to need a couple pickaxes. So, Jack, I gotcha.
Where did my... Oh.
Never mind.
I already bought one, Charlie. Don't buy another one. Don't buy another one.
It's okay. We're going to go to Mimic Cave and Jack, Cooper. Yes. No. No, let's go to Mimic Cave.
To make everything 10 times faster, let me just grab one of these real quick. Alright, let's go. Actually, guys, I'm gonna turn my light. Where did my light go? My light likes to fly. Technical difficulties.
I told you I'll do that.
Well, Charlie, I accidentally just lost my light, but it doesn't matter because Toasty's girl doesn't like them anyway.
Jack, we're going to Mimic Cave.
I know, but she can still spawn in the open field. Plus, there's a flashlight right here. Wait for me. Do you remember which way it is? Because I do.
Yeah, it's this way. It's this way.
Yeah. No, wait. No, it's the other way.
No, it isn't. It's this way.
Oh, okay.
I can't really see. We're gonna have to go, like, somewhere.
That's Haunted Mansion over there.
I know,
Mimic Cave's over here. Why do you even want to go to Mimic Cave?
I just,
It's over here, Charlie.
You're Yes, sister.
Wait, so why do you want to go here again?
Where's my favorite content creators?
Oh, hi, Cooper. Can you mine both of them?
Where are you guys?
Mimic cave.
Jack, where's flashlight? Where's flashlight?
Alright.
Where are you guys? Are you guys at Mimic Cave?
Yes.
Guys?
Need help?
Probably.
Should I turn off light?
Oh, you're here? Oh, hey, Cooper. Cooper. I got it.
Y'all need help?
I'm out of ammo.
Somebody just hit me.
Got him.
Nice. And flashlight. Hey, Cooper, there's a red flashlight. Red flashlight.
Here. Oh, somebody open that crate.
Where?
Crap.
Turn
Turn your light up! Turn your light up! Turn your light up! Yo,
Wait, does she like red flashlight?
No, she doesn't like any light. She can kill you immediately.
Can somebody please open this box?
I did. Don't turn your lights on.
I can't see.
Chuck, just keep it off. There's a mimic down there. These things just keep on spawning in. Do we just keep on killing them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, then let's kill it. Come on.
So, is
Guys,
that
I got a grenade. I got a
oh, bet,
grenade.
bet, bet.
Kill him. Shoot.
Cooper, move. Grenade.
Oh.
Grenade.
Don't throw a grenade whenever nobody can see anything yet.
I'm going up. So it's killing me. I don't even have anything to. Okay. Guys, I don't have any ammo and no guns, and a mimic is trying to kill me.
You can
Get out of the cave. Let's just get out of the cave.
Wait a minute. I got a Hulk fist.
Noise.
Okay, yeah. Cool.
We could use the light now. We can use the light source now. Jack, come on. A minute.
Got it.
Don't try and kill me, buddy.
I was trying to kill the mimic. Hey, you guys want to go somewhere?
This
I'm
is
on
That's
the
where I
ammo.
wanted to go.
Well, let's
go
let's
to-
head back. Is this a video?
Let's go to broccoli.
Yeah, it's a video.
Oh.
Let's go to broccoli now.
Come on, let's
No, why don't we go to Haunted Mansion since we're so close?
No,
Guys, help me.
let's go to broccoli.
No, why don't we go to Haunted Mansion since it's so close?
Can we turn our lights on?
We should.
I'm going back into Mimic Cave to get my light. Where are y'all?
let's go.
Y'all want to go to chicken?
No, let's go to. You know, sure, let's go to chicken actually.
No, I'm going.
I'm going to chicken.
What's chicken?
It's a beast, like a beast chicken.
Yeah, we can steal its egg.
You mean that place?
Yep.
What is that thing?
It's the chicken.
It's the chicken.
Guys, we need to take its egg and run. I'm gonna distract it, then somebody go for it. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey, stupid. Hey, stupid. I'm going for the egg. Got it. I got the egg, guys. Let's run.
I'm distracting him.
Guys, I got the egg. Let's run.
That was the easiest run ever. Bro, that is glitching so much. Bro, that just glitched it. Bro, that was the easiest run for the chicken ever. Like, literally, I distracted him.
I used to know a kid that could do it in 5 seconds flat.
Yeah, we did it in like
Solo.
5 seconds.
No, you guys took like 20 seconds.
No, I distracted him, and then Jack got the egg, and then I think Cooper killed it.
No, I didn't have any ammo. I was going to.
Bro, Mimic Cave has so much loot.
Kill the egg. Hold on. Never mind. Keep going. Hold on, Cooper, I want to show you something. Look, grab a... Ooh, should we do the red flashlight?
Yeah, let's see. Because I have so many of them.
Let's do it! Hey, Cooper, look at me! Look at me! I'm floating! I'm floating. How much?
Nice run.
Yeah, that was a good run.
Yo, Charlie, can you find me a large backpack?
I can. Got you. Here you go.
Just don't have it unlocked yet. I plan on unlocking it in like 3 seconds.
Hey, Cooper, you want to see something cool?
Hey, Cooper, do you guys want to see something cool? I could buy this.
If you shine a light at the Mona Lisa, it turns
I can
into like
too.
a scary face.
Oh, do it, do it, do it. Do it.
Like inside
I'm
of
not
the...
buying another revolver. I don't need to.
I know, I just want one.
Hold up. I'm gonna change my.
Hey, y'all, look. Hey, y'all, look.
I'm gonna change my
Hey,
skin
y'all,
to my
look.
real skin. Hold up. I did this
I'm trying to blow this. Hey, y'all, do
Hey,
y'all
Charlie, look at me.
lobby and
Charlie, look at me. Charlie, look at me.
Where are
You see me? Bye. Look at the wire. Bye.
Alright, guys, I'm coming. Guys, wanna go get broccoli?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Here, hold up.
Wait, have you guys released the video with me in it yet?
No. No video.
I think we have. Come on, y'all, wait for me. I need a bag.
Charlie, do you have a revolver in there?
I need an introduction.
Jack, there are 2 revolvers right here.
Give me an introduction. Come on, guys.
Cooper, wait for me. I'm literally...
Mmm. Who wants this?
Me.
No.
Hold up, wait. I've always wanted to do this. Hold up.
I know, I've done that.
Oh, I've always wanted to do that. Like, you don't know how much I've wanted to do that.
No, Cooper, get
got
2, and it's so cool.
Here, man.
Get 2. Literally get 2.
Alright,
and
guys,
then
let's go.
it's so cool.
Hold up. Wait, give me an introduction. Come on, guys.
Get a grappler. We're going.
They don't know who I am. They don't know who I am. Right now, I'm just some random kid named Cooper.
Alright, guys, he is our brother. That is probably going to be in very few of our videos.
Jack, we're at Broccoli right now.
Yeah, I'm coming. I just had to sort out stuff in my backpack.
Yo. Dog, what's up, Mimic? I hit that guy so hard his head fell off.
Oh, come on, Cooper.
What?
I mean, come on, Charlie. Say something for me. Yeah, it's because you didn't want them.
Jeremy, let's go home.
There's a
Cooper and Jack, dinner's ready. We can eat 2 of the small mushrooms and then we can get back. Jack, you just hit me.
Where are you guys?
We're out. We're going. Jack, come on.
Okay.
Sigma, Sigma boys, Sigma boys. Listen.
Jack, you here? Jack.
Yeah.
There you are.
Charlie, you want to see how many boxes I got?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, look. You can open that one. Let's sell all this stuff, Charlie.
Okay. On Jack,
Alright, Charlie, I'm gonna get off to go eat dinner. Like and subscribe, guys.